Welcome back to When Aquarium channel. Do you realize Oscar Award or Parrot Bird? But I'm not going to discuss about that. This is a video for Oscars and parrot cichlids. I'm going to assemble an aquarium for these parrots and cichlids. One of our clients had an aquarium. He discovered the tank was leaking. So he had purchased an aquarium with the measurements 75 inches by 12 inches into 18 crores of height and asked me to set up a tank. Hereby, I'm gonna set it up and don't neglect to tap the subscribe button. So let's.
I have set this tank on the table and fixed the surface level. Presently, I am going to spread some sand or gravels at the lower part of the tank. Then, at that point, scape it with white coral rocks and driftwoods. Parrots and Oscars are those, the group of cichlids. These fishes are the most main cichlids in the aquarium hobby. After the leveling of gravels is done, I present the mopani driftwood, which is profound chocolate brown in color, placing it inside the tank, and spot a white coral stone before the driftwood. It seems as though the wood developed from the tank. Usually, parrots, Oscars, and other different sorts of cichlids love hiding spots. So, I'm going to place a pot between the two rocks and change the direction to my side. The other pot is set to the right side. What's more, a stone is kept on the pot to get a covering up spot. So, now you can notice a passage molded hiding spot is shaped between the rocks. At last, the hardscape is done. Now, let's fill the tank with water. The water limit is around 100 liters, that is 300 gallons for the tank. So, it took 5 to 6 containers to fill the tank. After the filling of water is done, I am going to connect a airstone ring to the pump and run the bubbles. The ring is placed behind the driftwood and run the bubbles. This is a decorative item or decorative accessory of this tank for the fish. Helps playing with it. The fishes are introduced to a beautiful tank. I noticed some fish are worried because of water and some of them looking so weird towards the tank. I hope these fishes enjoy living in this tank without any problem or any mistake. As I previously told, the parrotfish loves hiding spots, so you can notice the parrotfish passing into the pot and appreciates living inside.
I'm done for this. Let's meet up soon.